work of Congress, in particular the House of Representatives, is to advance the well-being, security, and economic growth of the American people. And let me define for you who the American people are. For all of us as members of Congress, that looks very different. For me, in my district, it means the young entrepreneur who's eager and excited about starting a new business, a startup company. It's the middle-aged couple who have government jobs, who have worked diligently, scrimped and saved to buy a home, and are now looking for financing and support to send their children to college. It's the veteran who has served this country and now has to navigate through the bureaucracy of federal government to get those rights and privileges that, having served this country, he or she deserves. It's the senior citizen, the retiree, who is always watching their budget to make sure that they have enough to meet all of their bills and somehow get by. Those are the people, those are the families that I fight for. And I know that on my side of the aisle, those workers, parents, seniors, young people are who we as Democrats are fighting for. And while we may come from different families with different standings, beliefs, and statuses, that's who we all should be working for in this chamber. Presently, however, the House Republican economic scheme, will only hurt working Americans' families whom we say we are here to support. As Congress, as the House of Representatives of the people, we must, in partnership with a president, continue to enact legislation to protect the financial security of American working families. That's why I am directly calling.
Good morning, friends. I have a new update. Today's the day that $2,000 checks will be deposited for millions of eligible senior citizens and retirees. The Social Security Administration has confirmed new check deposit dates for this month, and many are now pushing for extra relief specifically for seniors. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about all of these details. Also, to say thank you for joining me here every day and for being part of this community. I will be announcing 2 winners this coming Friday for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you'd like to enter the giveaway, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances, my friends, of winning the giveaways. Today, Social Security supplemental income recipients will be receiving payments of $914. The monthly amount for this year has increased to $914 from last year's $814. This increase is due to the cost of living adjustment of 8.7%. The payments will go out today, more than a month after beneficiaries saw their last payments on December 30th. In addition to the federal benefits, 33 states are sending out their own supplemental payments. Your earnings and assets will determine if you qualify for SSI payments. Eligible couples cannot have more than $3,000 in assets, while individuals cannot have more than $2,000, and qualified children may receive a bit more, as they normally don't have an income. SSI payments may be less for those who qualify for both Social Security and SSI payments. So if you receive Social Security benefits before May 1997, or if you receive both Social Security and SSI, the payment schedule is different. Instead of receiving your payments on a Wednesday, you will receive your Social Security payment on the 3rd day of each month and your SSI payment on the 1st day of each month. The payment schedules are different in some months because of holidays or weekends. The next checks will land on March 1st and March 31st. The SSA will also begin issuing retirement payments for the month of February. That is worth up to $4,194 in just a few days. According to the SSA, the payment scheduled for February 8th will be for recipients who were born between the 1st and the 10th of the month. The maximum Social Security check in 2023 is $4,555 per month. But in January 2023, the average monthly benefit for retired workers is just $1,827. But in January 2023, the average monthly benefit for retired workers is just $1,827 per month. Qualifying for the maximum Social Security benefit is not exactly easy. To receive $4,555 per month, you would need to start benefits at age 70. So if you retired at age 62, which is when you become eligible for benefits, the maximum benefit is $2,572. For those starting benefits at the full retirement age, which is currently 67 years old, the maximum benefit is $3,627. You would also need to have worked a minimum of 35 years. For most retirees, the third requirement presents the biggest hurdle. That is to earn at least the Social Security maximum taxable income for at least 35 years. Social Security's maximum taxable income increases virtually every year. In 2023, this cap is set at $160,200. If your earnings for that year exceed this amount, Social Security will still consider your income to be $160,200. You will not pay the 6.2% Social Security tax on earnings above the amount. Each year, only 6% of workers earn enough to hit the taxable maximum. Your lifetime chances of having earnings above this amount during a single year of your career are about 20%. As of December 2021, when the maximum monthly benefit was $3,895, only about 10% of retired workers receive Social Security checks above $2,600. So the vast majority of people should not plan to collect Social Security's maximum benefit. So dear friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Nearly 5 million American seniors across the United States are living below or at the poverty line. And according to the latest census data, 1 million new seniors have fallen into poverty over the course of the past year. Many have argued that the COLA changes are simply to keep up with the rising costs of everything else and don't fundamentally improve seniors' living situation. While overall poverty rates in the United States are somewhat falling, they are rising for Americans over the age of 65. Also dismayed, but not surprised, is Mary Johnson of the Senior Citizens League, a Washington-based advocacy group. She told reporters, "The Census Bureau report confirms what we have been fearing. Our surveys have indicated that a rising number of retirees report that they have spent through emergency savings and have applied for safety net programs. In fact, the number of survey participants who say they have applied for SNAP or visited a food pantry over the past 12 months is 33%, compared to 22% 1 year ago. Friends, please comment below and let me know how the crisis has affected you. Well, my beautiful and most amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you, dear friends, for being part of this community and for joining me here every day. I will be announcing 2 winners this coming Friday for the $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. Friends, please make sure that you enter the giveaway. All you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and very blessed week.